The Classy Touch Sink Plunger with Ergonomic Handle kitchen cleaning tool is a compact drain unclogging tool designed for kitchen and bathroom sinks. Key features: ergonomic handle for a compatible grip, rubber suction cup for cleaning strong suction and clearing blockages, compact size, made from rubber and plastic materials, easy to store under a sink or a utility cabinet, suitable for kitchen sinks, wash basins, showers and small drains. Pros: simple chemical free way to clean minor drain clogs, lightweight and easy to use, durable construction for a regular household use. If you want to buy this product, please check tagged products. You can try this. This is very good kitchen cleaning tool. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.